Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Geek. Today we have with us the latest gaming phone from Asus ROG Phone 2. And in this video, we will show you the gaming review and find out more about its performance. Starting with the design of this phone is a gaming beast. ROG stands for Republic of Gamers, and this phone is made for gamers keeping in mind their requirements. For example, the specification of this phone is top-notch and is the first phone in India with Snapdragon 855 Plus processor. And the best part is that you get 120Hz refresh rate display, which in my opinion looks pretty amazing. We have talked about this phone already in our first impression video, so if you want to see that, then do check the link in the description below. So coming back to the gaming review, we will be doing the benchmark first, and here is a score on Antutu, which is quite impressive. And here is the Geekbench score. I have no doubt that this phone will do exceptionally well when it comes to gaming. We won't be able to justify the 120Hz screen as PUBG as of now only supports 60 FPS. But soon this game will be available in 120 FPS, and playing that version on this mobile will be totally a different experience. Asus has included a gaming zone in this phone, which is Armory Crate, and in this you can set profile for each game and configure settings such as touch, display, audio and also the performance. You can also configure the aura lighting, which is here at the back, which gives this phone a unique but stylish gaming look. And there is also an X mode which you can enable by squeezing the phone, and this boosts the performance even more. So here is the PUBG mobile, and let me show you the graphics setting first. And as you can see in the graphics settings, everything is maxed out. ROG Phone 2 also has a Game Genie feature built in the phone. In this you can do screen recording, streaming, and also in the ROG Phone 2 you can configure the triggers. And by the way, these triggers are version 2 and they are much more responsive, and the haptic feedback we get from the dual vibration motor is also new addition in the ROG Phone 2. You can also turn on the real stats from the Game Genie, and here you can see at the bottom of the screen it is showing us the frame rate, temperature, etc. For triggers, I have already set them up for shooting and scope, and to be honest, it's really easy and comfortable to play with these triggers. You get an amazing experience while playing PUBG or any other battle royale game. Talking about the performance, as mentioned earlier, this phone is a beast and we haven't seen even a single frame drop or issue with this phone. So we have played PUBG for almost half an hour and I can feel slight warmness on the sides of the phone. It's nothing unbearable, but yes, it's quite noticeable. Asus also introduced accessories with this phone, and you can use accessories like fan module, which will reduce the surface temperature by 5 degrees. And also it will give you the access of charging port as well as the headphone jack at the side of the phone. Now I'll be showing you a couple of games which right now supports up to 120 frames per second, and I've been playing these games on this phone for a few days and I can see the difference straight away. They are buttery smooth, and playing these games on this phone is totally an amazing experience. And guys, we will be doing a dedicated video next where we will show you the best games to play on your ROG Phone 2 which supports 120 frames per second. So stay tuned for that. So overall, ROG Phone 2 is an amazing gaming beast, and if you're looking for a gaming phone which looks good and gives you the performance which you need while gaming, then this is the phone you should buy. Asus has priced this phone very aggressively and it's available for just 37,999, and also it will be available on Flipkart tonight, and with the offers you can get this phone for approximately 34,000 rupees, and in that price it's really a good deal. And I must say that ROG Phone 2 is not just only a gaming phone, you can also use it as your daily phone. On papers, this is the phone which has everything in it: a good design, fast processor, fast UFS storage, 6000 massive mAh battery, and it is also very reasonably priced. And keeping in mind all that, we highly recommend this phone. So that's it guys, this was the gaming review of the Asus ROG Phone 2. Let us know if you like this phone, and also do tell us which game you would play on this phone in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.